try this restaurant here on Orange Beach called Wolf Bay Lodge Restaurant. My wife wants to stay in the shade to the last possible strand, then she turns. Here we go. PC Hostess. That's it? Yeah.
How are y'all?
All right, how are you?
I'm good. How many for you?
3?
Inside, outside?
Inside. Yeah.
Right this way, y'all.
No. Thank you.
You're welcome, y'all. Enjoy it.
All right, let's take a look at these menus here. All right, so we got, these are appetizers. Y'all can zoom in if you want to see. We got the Cha-Cha's crab dip. We got some soup. They got seafood gumbo. Sounds good. I think I might get some of that.
Seafood gumbo.
This captain's platter I was looking
I
at.
say the Wolf Bay seafood platter
Fish,
has
sea,
a
scallops, gulf shrimp, lobster tail, broiled to perfection. Wolf Bay seafood pan, gumbo, stuffed crab, stuffed shrimp, fish, gulf shrimp, oysters, fried to perfection. I think I might try that one. The Wolf Bay seafood platter, because I wanted some
And
oysters.
it has your gumbo on it too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
But they also have a lot of coconut shrimp, crab cake,
Dollars, you mean? Oh, they got them all the way
the
in.
Gulf shrimp, the best shrimp. If y'all never had Gulf shrimp, you need to try it because it tastes completely different.
Crab legs. I think I'll have a baked potato. Look at a coconut shrimp.
Coconut shrimp.
This side sweet potato fries.
And what kind of salad dressing?
Pineapple sauce.
The salad dressing.
I'm gonna get the Wolf Bay seafood platter.
What side?
I'm gonna get skip French fries.
And what kind of salad dressing would you like?
This ranch. Alright, so we got some crab dip here. Crab dip. You want to taste it, baby?
Are
Come
those
on.
bacon bits? Mom.
Go ahead and taste it, Mom. We'll get you on video here. See what you think.
Could put some on my plate.
Just dip it, Mom. Made that pretty fast.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. All right. Let me try
What's the
some.
name of it?
Crab, Cha-Cha's crab dip. All right, so we got this gumbo here, part of my Wolf Bay
Captain.
platter, captain's platter. This one's got chicken, shrimp, probably some sausage in there somewhere. Yeah, right there. All right, ready, baby?
Taste this.
Good.
What's the rate?
I'd say 9.
9.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've got our salads, so let's eat, baby. That way she can bring out our main course. All right, Mom, what we got
All
over
right,
here?
we got a bunch of crab legs.
Nice. They look like pretty good.
You remember at Crabs when
Yeah.
I ordered those crab legs and there was
Yes.
one of these?
Yeah.
Did they steam?
Those claws look pretty.
It says steam.
My baby got some coconut shrimp.
My favorite coconut shrimp.
Sweet potato fries. I got the captain's. So we got the fish here. Oysters. Alright, oysters, yeah. Shrimp. And I had my gumbo earlier and the stuffed crab. So, alright, let's eat this up, baby.
Yep.
Alright, let's try this. Alright, look at these oysters right here. That's pretty good sized oysters. Nice. Let's try that with some cocktail sauce.
Good. It's a pretty big shrimp there too.
Yep, Gulf shrimp.
Sorry.
Gulf shrimp. Very good.
Is that the shrimp?
Yeah, that shrimp's good, man. Oh,
Not
look
as
at this
good as
one. They even
my
got a stuffed shrimp.
What is that?
I don't know. I think it's a stuffed shrimp. Yeah.
What's inside?
Like some kind of, what do you call that? Dang, I can't think of the name of it.
Jalapeno?
What's in the
Probably a
inside?
crab.
No. It's just like a stuffing. It's like a, yeah. It's good.
Really good.
Thank you. All right. All right, very good. So let's finish this up, baby. You're gonna try your coconut shrimp. All right, let's see what my wife thinks of her coconut shrimp here, baby. And the hush puppies.
This is the pineapple.
So did I pick a good place, y'all?
Best.
Mom?
Best. It was
Yes?
very good. It gave me a lot of crab.
All right.
Very good, honey. Really good.
How is everyone okay?
All right, we got some dollar bills on the wall here. That was some pretty good food. Pretty good food, right, baby?
Yes.
All right, let's go. So this is the restaurant here. And my mom with her mask on.
I went in there.